I got this lawnmower from Facebook Market, and it was not running. And the owner, he said he didn't start it for a while. I checked the oil. There's oil, and it won't start. So I'm gonna try to see what's going on with it. So I pulled the air filter. It's not that clean, but it's not in a bad condition. So I think this mower has spark compression, and the only thing is the problem is getting fuel to the carb. So I guess it needs carb cleaning, so I'll go ahead and do that. Most of the mower usually doesn't have problems, spark plugs or compression, like 90%, and the rest is like it's always carb issue. People store the mowers with the gas in there, and it it blocks the carb jets and everything. So that's what happens usually, even if they know, but they still they don't do it. So okay, 10 millimeter bolts. Okay, this is the first time I do Honda, so I just don't want anything just to be not on place. So I'm just gonna pull the breather hose, and I'm gonna try to see where everything goes before I do anything. So okay, this has a gasket here still attached. This goes right there. Automatic choke, I believe so. And there is another gasket here too. It's between the carb and I'm not gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna clean around it because I don't have any replacement. That's not a gasket actually. I'm not sure if it needs a gasket or not, but I'll put it the way it was. If not, I'll just get another gasket. So in order to take the carb out, you have to take out the linkages, but to do that you have to twist it like 90 degrees. So we need to take out the fuel line as well. So let's do that. Just gonna put some tissue here so it doesn't make a mess. It looks like it was in service for a long time, so hopefully yeah, it's not coming out that easy. Nope. I'm afraid that it might break at one point. I'm not sure even if I had the same size of fuel line. I'm just gonna try to take it off camera and come back. So I got the carb out. As you can see, it's very dirty. So I'm gonna try to clean it as outside first, and then we're gonna go we're gonna open it and check it inside as well. So we got the carb clean from outside. Now we're gonna inspect it and see. Okay, that was easy. Okay, it looks not bad. All right. Okay, not bad. Maybe we just done all the gas in there. Alright, it doesn't look that bad. Before I open it, I blow some air while standing on the carbon dioxide position. It was blowing air, that's mean gas go in. When I flipped it, because this way the float is allowing gas to get in the carb, but when it goes like that, it should stop gas from going in. So when you blow in air or the gas go, it won't let it. So that's mean the carb is working properly. So I'm just gonna take the needle out, I mean the pin, and then I'm gonna pull the float and the needle. Needle is not that bad. Okay, I'm just gonna try to use those to clean the jets. I need this one will do. For some reason it's not going in. Maybe it's too thick, but it goes in the main jet. I might take out the main jet. Yeah, it's not bad. It wasn't stuck or anything. So yeah, I won't say that carb is probably bad. I mean, it was probably bad fuel was left in there. So I managed to pull out the jet. It wasn't clogged or anything, it was clear. So make sure. Okay, also there's a hole on the side here. There's jet. Make sure everything is not. Probably the wire is too thick for it. I'm just gonna pick something else. Let's see. Make sure any jet. I'm gonna use carb cleaner to blow everything out. Make sure. Not sure if there's a. I don't think there's a jet in the front here. Nope. How about the back? There's one here, I believe so. I'm sure everything looks good. I just want to make sure, you know. Let's see if I can push out the tube from inside. Yep, it came out. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to make sure I go through all the holes and use car cleaning to blow everything out so nothing stay. Okay, so there's like 4 holes in the top, 4 in the bottom. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know why it wasn't starting actually. So I'm just gonna blow some car cleaner in there and come back. Okay, just gonna blow car cleaner here as well. So I cleaned the carb, all the jets and everything. And at the same time I got sprayed in the eye with carb cleaner. I should have wear protective glasses, but it is what it is. I have to rinse it out quick with eye drops. Hopefully, you know, nothing happened. So I'm just gonna put this back. And I'm gonna just put the jet in. Let's put it back where it was. too tight, just, you know. All right, there is a gasket here for the car bowl. I'm not gonna take it out. Looks like it's in need of replacement, but it's in a good condition, so I don't want to try. I'm just gonna put some WD-40 around it, so you know, so it won't get dry. Stay okay. And let's put the jet back. I believe this goes here. Okay, it goes here. All right, and it should go down like this. I like this carb. You just put it on the plastic side. The other ones, the other carbs, I can't remember which ones. You just had a small wire attached to the needle, which is annoying. It keeps falling out. But I like this kind of carb. So, all right, it went back. So everything looks good. I'm gonna just make sure it's working. I'm just gonna blow air. Yeah, no air is going in, so everything is good. So now just put the cover. There's no sides, just put it in a way, and just make sure your hand thread it first. And if you want to use impact, just not too much force so it doesn't break. So here we go. The carb is clean and it's time to put it back. Everything looks, it's working. I'm just gonna drain the fuel because I don't know how long it's been there. Doesn't smell that bad, but still, you know, maybe had some water in there or any dirt. So I like to use my own gas. Okay, so I drained the tank, and now it's time to put back the carb. Dust this off. Maybe use some carb cleaner to dust this off. I think that was like that. Okay, I'm just trying to find out where does everything go. So I think maybe I have to look at the video and review that. I'm sure that was on the top. Had 2 holes go like this here. Yeah, that should be it. Okay, and the carb goes that way. Carb goes like that. And I have to go back to, let's put back the linkages first. This goes here, and the governor goes next to it. Actually, yeah. Okay, so that's goes like this. Now I can put back the fuel line, put the clamp on it. Doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so now just you have to put this here. I don't see any gasket. Maybe it doesn't need one. I'm not sure. The first time but I've been seeing gaskets, so I'm just gonna put it back the way I found it, and hopefully it will start. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna try to see if I okay, sure that goes here. I'm gonna try to get those bolts first and see. The only thing about Honda is, like, the airbox air filter cover, it has to be connected first, and then the carb and everything else. So yeah, it's kind of tough to put it back, so I'm just gonna try to take it out the same way put it back in the same way I got it. Let's get the bolt. This should be on the bottom, I believe. Screw ball screw in here, and then the carb. Yeah, you take one bolt, the other one comes out. Okay, and then you try to put the breather hose first. Okay, it's gonna tight, and then on this part it goes like that. Yeah, hopefully I'm not missing anything. Just untie it first. Just clean some. Alright. I'm gonna use my impact. I'm not gonna go crazy. Alright. Everything looks moving. Alright. So now just put some air filter. Maybe the one was with it, and just start it and see if it's gonna start. If it does, I'm gonna change the oil and sharpen the blades, and it's good to go. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this for now. Better than nothing. I'm gonna try to wash this, and I'm gonna try to start it, gas in it and see. Alright, so I put some fuel in there, and let's see if it's gonna start or not. Don't forget to open the fuel valve.